Congratulations,
Thank
you
you.
got your 189 PR.
Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am. So, sir, would you like to share some few feelings about how you started your process?
Actually, I was referred by Santosh, and I didn't really have a idea to apply for a visa or apply for a PR, go anywhere abroad. But after my friend Santosh, he has done his processing. Even I thought, let me also give a try, and I was then
Got your PR.
I was then referred to here, and now this is where I am after taking the PR and giving it a testimony.
And it is very short span of time you got
Right.
your visa.
Actually, I myself delayed the process because my wife's passport was held up at the passport office, and that was one area where it took a lot of time. I applied for my wife's passport in August, but I got it in late December. So that complete span of time, I didn't do any processing for applying for PR. I just took an advice letter and just stay put. Nothing was done. Actually, to be frank, the actual process of applying for visa started from December. Skill assessment and then EOA, everything started from December. So if you take the complete time, it is right just from December to March. You can count only 4 months because IELTS and everything was done ahead of that, but IELTS didn't count.
So you didn't got your score in IELTS, but you wrote again another exam.
Right. I applied for IELTS on October 20th, but I didn't get enough score, and I was actually shocked that I did not get the required score. And so I opted for PT, which was then suggested by you. So in PT, the first attempt itself, I got the score. So that actually cleared any confusions and any hurdles. So everything went there.
So how do you explain, sir, about PT? You know, nowadays it is becoming very popular. People are scoring.
Actually, PT, if you look at the exam, it tests us in a lot of aspects. Like unlike IELTS, what it does is if it's a listening module or reading module, it tests only in those aspects. but PT, even in one module, it tests your skill on other module. But in fact, it is more easier compared to IELTS. If you just do practice tests, you can literally feel that you can score through the exam. And the best aspect of PT is that you can get the results in very short period of time instead of waiting for a long period and then again going for the exam. And again booking a slot for PT, even if you want to go for a second attempt, it is easier compared to IELTS. Because 2 months of time, wait time for IELTS is like not acceptable actually.
That's true. So how do you differ about MARA agent services and non-registered agent services?
I actually visited one consultancy. I went with my friend. That was like a fluke attempt. I went with my friend. And I didn't really inquire about all these aspects there. It was just like I was accompanying my friend. And to be frank, I haven't really come across both MARA and non-MARA to say anything about it. So, but I felt it was very good here, like providing all the aspects and everything in detail explanations for all the processes that you need to do. That was the best part of this.
And we are planning for ma'am skill assessment even when you got a PR, as she is into psychology aspects. So now we are planning her future also in Australia.
Right. Actually, one of the main reasons why I wanted to apply for a PR is from my wife's perspective, not from mine. Because her future is more bright in other countries compared to India, because she is a psychologist and her future in other countries is like.
And really, there is a good boom for your services there.
Right.
They are even very high salary.
Yeah, to be frank, from the monetary perspective, it is like high pay, and even if you want to study further also, the best option is from Australia.
50% off for you if you are really planning for some PhD or something there. It's really 50% off because you are a permanent resident.
Right.
That is also helpful for you. So would you like to advise anything to our staff?
I mean, I don't really have anything to advise because you are already doing everything perfectly. So there is nothing that I could find wrong and maybe advise or suggest.
No, not wrong means what? I mean, if anything else you are expecting from Australia, future in Australia, that should be like this, that.
I mean, I don't really.
It's perfect.
Yeah, maybe expansion in other cities, like maybe in Australia itself, or here even in Hyderabad and maybe other places, because there are lots of people who are from other cities and may want to migrate, but they don't have
That's true.
they don't have a right choice to go for. So even it will be better for you.
That's true, sir. And you already referred one of your friend to our
Right.
services, and even they are taking our services. We are very happy that you are really happy with our services and referring to third.
Right, because I came from a referral, I know I had to do my job. Referring someone, because it is like word of mouth is the best publicity than any poster publicity
Yes.
or any other advertisement.
That-
Word of mouth really travels to places.
That's true, sir. So how are you planning your journey, sir? When are you planning?
So what?
End of the May we are planning. So we are trying to go there. So for me, first I will have to complete with my assessment, and afterwards there is some registration process which I have to undergo. For that we need to write an exam. Once I just clear that exam, and then I can work on my profession there. So just hoping everything
It
goes
is like,
good.
yeah, she has to get registered as a psychologist first. So
Nice.
for that, her study in India needs to be assessed
by
by
medical council.
by the medical council. So it is not ACS or VETAS. It is completely different actually.
This is
Definitely.
of Australian Psychology Board.
But so I have to get that assessed there. So it's a different fee
But still,
altogether.
meanwhile, I hope you can work.
Huh.
Yeah, even then she can work. But as a registered psychologist, you have more opportunities and better pay compared to a non-registered psychologist. So this is like a parallel task we are doing.
We wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best, ma'am.
Thank you.
All the best, sir.
Thank you.